Good morning, good evening, good night. Whenever you guys are watching this channel, first subscribe. I'm going to show you how to add timestamps or chapters to your videos. You see this video is about 3 minutes and 31 seconds, but I got different instructions on how to do things. And sometimes I have to go back to my own videos and look for things like, especially this little simple door lock right here. We use it on our bedroom. But it have different things to where you can delete codes, add codes. You can set it on auto lock. And sometimes I just want to go straight to certain parts of the video without watching a whole video. But you can add timestamps. Say for instance, I'm playing this video right here.
I'm going to show you how to program your MyLock keyless entry.
And I'm going to turn the volume down. And it's showing different instructions on how to program, how to delete all codes. And then probably 2 minutes later, I'll show you how to add a code. As you can see, it don't have any timestamp. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm going to pause this video right quick. And we're going to go to edit. I'm going to come up here. You can either add it to the top in the description or anywhere in the description. I usually like to add it to the top. And I just went on and pasted that. I had it already typed out. And here go what you have to do. Right here I got timestamps / chapters. You don't have to put this. I just let people know, hey, you can look in the description. But the first thing you have to do to get this to work, to show on your chapters, you have to put 0, 0, intro. And then at timestamp number 10 seconds, how to delete all codes. Then at 38 seconds, I got how to add codes. At 1 minute and 45 seconds, I got how to delete the codes. So just say for instance, I'm gonna just take this out. I'm not gonna put the 0, 0. I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen. I'm gonna hit save. All right, it's saving this video. So watch this. When I hit play, you don't see the little hash marks right here showing you the different chapters because I didn't put that 0, 0, 0 on there. But you can always go into the description and click like 2 minutes and 18 seconds on how to turn on the auto lock. So I can just click right there. And it takes me to 218, which is going to show me how to turn on the auto lock. As you can see, you just switch it back and forth. So if I want to put on how to delete all codes, I can just click right here. And you see it took me to 10 seconds. And it says just hold that in. So I'm going to pause this video and check this out. I'm going to go back to edit. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 0, and I'm gonna just call it intro. And check this out. I'm gonna hit save. Now I'm gonna go and play this video again, and you notice that it have these little chapters in it now. You see right here it says intro from 0, 0, 0. Then if I move my mouse, you see it says delete all codes. It have different chapters in it now. How to add a code, and you just move it over. How to delete a code, how to turn on the auto lock. So it have these chapters in it now because I added the timestamp 0, 0, 0 as intro. So if you don't add the 0, 0 as an intro, you won't be able to move across and see these chapters. You can always go down into your description how to turn on the auto lock. Just click on it. See, it took you to 218. It goes straight to it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.